Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back everyone, and thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate you guys listening to me and what I have to say. I am actually very grateful. I have right now about 100 subscriber. Of course, majority of them are my families. I kind of made them do it, and other half of it is probably my friends. I still made them do it, and other half, about 25 of you are actually somebody who I don't know. So I really appreciate coming and seeing what I have to say, and and growing this community forward. So those of you, if you don't know me, my name is Amit. I currently hold a master's degree in cybersecurity. I am also an MBA student, so I'm doing my second master's. My personal, basically hobby, favorite time is kind of spending around is making money. More like a financial freedom, that like fire movement slash, investing. My first book that I read is that really kind of triggered this whole thing was Rich Dad and Poor Dad. From there, I have read many books and done read a lot of podcasts, listened to, and read many books. And I kind of want to just share my journey. So I'm just more or less documenting, and I want to help out other people. I believe in sharing knowledge, and this is my way of giving back to community, and at the same time, learning something. I am by no means an expert, so everything use it as education only. Seek your own advice, your own book, counsel, and financial education, whoever you trust more outside me. Alright, so let's get started. Today's topic that I have is investing outside of just real stock market. So those of you, if you don't know me, I've been investing in stock market for a while now. Also been trying to basically diversify my portfolio so that it's not 100% stock market driven, so it's a little bit different. So I have a fundraise, which is the real estate, right? And then diversyfund is also a real estate REIT kind of deal. This is my stock, M1 Finance, right? The newest one in my collection of trying to diversify my holdings is actually Masterworks. So it's a little different. I first got introduced to them through basically I was watching a YouTube video, and this guy said, "Hey, have you ever checked out this Masterworks?" And I wasn't sure. So here's what I have done. So outside of real estate stock, so this would be basically in art, more or less. I don't buy or sell car, right? Because any asset that appreciates, right, over time. So that's kind of in the investment. So this asset the newest vehicle that I have is this platform called Masterworks. So I put in $500 right now as we speak. I have 25 shares of this piece of art. It's by Untitled 1992. Here's a little picture, this man and two other guys. I do not know anything about art, so I heavily am being reliant on this website. They make it very easy in terms of investing. Here they have a current offering that you can just basically, once you make your account, you can go ahead and simply invest. They show you their projection that they're looking at, 29.3% appreciation now. Initial offering is this much, and action history is 32 years, and 2020 sale for this amount. You can look at their offering, and you can look at their data sheet. So if you were to look at it, right, let's look at this is about their website. I want to guys show you my portfolio. Untitled, and well, I don't know how to show you the deal this, but let's look at this one. Okay, this one is called Yoi Kusuma. Right, they have a little history about it and why they think this will appreciate at 29%. And then I, a little bit more information. I'm not a reader, so I like pictures. I do read, but basically you can read. This is Pumpkin 1993. That's when it was created, and then they go a lot more in detail. So let's go back. Oh, reopen, close tab. Yes. Right, and then they also, on this website, you can see lots of other offering that's been closed. This website been around for a while now, so I was like, why not put a $500 in it? I am not planning to put any more money this year. I plan to kind of just see what's going on. Eventually I'll put in more money over time, maybe put in $5,000. Just like I have a diversity fund right now, I have $1,000. Right, I like to kind of take a website and just sit on it. Eventually I'll put more money in. So like last year, right, I put in $1,000 in diversity fund, and same thing this year, 2021, I'm putting this much. So I'm not gonna put any more money until 2022. All right, so this is kind of my journey. This is something new that I'm trying out. I wanted to show you guys. Maybe what do you guys think? Do you guys think that I should invest more, less, or are you investing in this platform? If so, what do you think? That kind of question. That's kind of why I'm showing you. They don't give you any dividend, so there's no way to make money until they actually go ahead and sell the art that I'm syndicated in, and then I will make my money in return. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. All right, guys, thank you.